This is better than the burger giant. Hi. How you? Yes, my people. Welcome back. Today is Sunday. I'm chilling. I don't feel to cook a big pot, but today I think I'm gonna make a burger. So come with me over here while we do the burger. So here we go. So we have our grind turkey. We're gonna make turkey burger. So we have our grind meat here. So we're gonna ball it up and then we're gonna get things going right now. So let me click on my hot plate. I put it at 300 degrees and I'm gonna break my turkey and make my patties for my burger. Very easy recipe. Making the patty, I'm making if you want a big patty or a small one, you know, it's right here. So I make one of my patties. So I'm gonna just add a little seasoning. This is an all-purpose Maggi seasoning. Just add a little all-purpose Maggi seasoning. And I'm gonna add a little garlic powder. I'm gonna do it on both sides, but I'm gonna just put it on one side. I'm gonna put a little oil. This is avocado oil. I'm gonna just add a little oil to my, just a little bit, just. So I'm gonna turn the seasoned side down. And I'm gonna add a little more seasoning on the outside. And a little more garlic season. You can do it this way. You can add the seasoning on the inside first and then you fold it over so that seasoning go on the inside, or you can do it that way. So I'm going to do both. I do it that way already, so I'm going to add a little seasoning on the inside of this one. And then I tell you which one tastes better. So I'm going to form it over the seasoning on the inside. Add a little garlic season on the outside. And a little of my Maggi, all purpose. a little bit of garlic powder, and a little bit of Maggi seasoning. We're gonna allow this to cook, and then I'm gonna cut my potato because I'm gonna be doing French fries. Let me do this one. Just make our potatoes finish it up. I'm just moving them around. I'm not smashing it because I want the flavor to remain on the inside. So I'm just moving it around just like that. So you want your patties to cook evenly, so I flip it over. Oh, you see that crust? Home style burger. Along with my onion, and I'm gonna grill it. You want to flip the burger a couple of times so it cook evenly. The meat cook evenly. Oh, this onion and garlic smell really good. Just making sure my patty is well done and my onion is ready. So I'm gonna put it aside and I'm gonna toast my bread. I'm gonna add my cheese to my patty. So I add some mayo to my bread. So I toast it with mayo. This is the burger. This is the burger. I'm gonna cut in my burger right now. Wow. You see how juicy it is? And the flavor is very good. Homemade hamburger. Like share, and subscribe. Try out the homemade hamburger with the mayonnaise and the toasted bread. I'm about to finish my hamburger. Very good. Can't beat it. These are all my ingredients. I'm gonna be having all of these. I'm grabbing my fork for my onion. I can't miss this out. Like, share, and subscribe. This burger is hitting the spot. I can tell you that for sure. Quick and easy. You don't need a lot of ingredients to make a burger. We make the burger earlier, so now we cutting up our potatoes to make the French fries. Cutting up my potato. Go ahead, and I'm just going to just put them into a bowl and just put a little seasoning to it, and then I'm going to put it in the flour and we're going to start frying. So let me go ahead and start prep my oil so my oil can get hot. So I'm adding a little bit of garlic powder. and a little total seasoning. And a little bit of salt. This is just a little spice on my potato. So my people, this is a very nice settings. You can buy this on Amazon. I just put the potato in it. You just take it up like this and check it. Look at that. And then put it back down. You can fry chicken. You can fry whatever you want to fry. You know, less than to keep dipping into the grease. You know. So this thing here, it's a fryer. You see how easy this is? You just pick it up and shake it around. That potato needs to boil some more. Still need a little more time until my fork can have easy access to get in there. Yes, it's coming up. My potato is ready. It is ready. So yes, my people, so this is the easiest access you can ever have to fry your potato. Look at that. I'm going to pick it up all at once. Look at that. And just shake it a couple of times. And then I'm coming over there. As for my potato wedges. Just sprinkling a little black pepper. That is it, my people. Easy. I make my potato chips. These are potato wedges. It's the best potato wedge you can ever have. That is it, my people. Finishing up with the burger. I have a friend today. She is gonna sample my burger today for the first time. So she's gonna give me an honest opinion on the burger. Yes, because I tell her that this is the best burger she ever gonna have. And she said she wants to sample it. So I'm gonna give her the opportunity to sample it. This is the best grilled onion you can ever have. The best grilled onion. I just add a little black pepper. Melting. I'm going to toast my bread with some mayonnaise. I'm going to toast my bread with some mayonnaise. So I just get a butter knife and I just put some mayonnaise on it. And then I just put it like that. Butter knife with some mayo, and that is it. This is the best burger I can ever have. Toasted bread with mayonnaise. Yes, my people, so now I'm about to make my guest her burger. Look at that toast, my people. So I'm adding that nice onion and top, nice grilled onion. All right, there you go. This is better than the Burger Giant. So here you go. Hi, how you doing today?
Great.
Well, today I wanted to try my burger. And I want you to give my honest opinion because I hardly have people sampling my food. So I wanted to do the best and tell me what you think.
Huh?
Oh, that burger look juicy.
And it's turkey?
It is turkey.
Okay.
Wow. How is that onion?
It's like a flavor bomb. Probably can see my
Look at that.
my lipstick on it probably.
Oh man, that burger is, how is it?
Yeah, that's a treat. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.